Hi everyone, I'm Brian Morris, product manager here at Lenovo in the Smart Collaboration Group. Today we're going to unbox the ThinkSmart Core Gen 2. It's Lenovo's next generation compute device designed to elevate your meeting spaces. I can't wait to show you everything that's inside the box, so let's dive right in. So here it is. This is the ThinkSmart Core Gen 2, the next generation of ThinkSmart Core products from Lenovo. The first thing you'll notice is how sleek and slim this is. It's a simple box that will disappear when installed anywhere, behind a display, under a table, or anywhere you can imagine. On Core Gen 2, you have two CPU options, the Intel Core Ultra 5 or the Intel Core Ultra 7, both with vPro. Both of those processors come with a built-in NPU, so it's going to handle all of the workloads that you can throw at it, especially as we get deeper and deeper into AI. As far as memory goes, you can outfit it with either 16 or 32 gigs of RAM. Best of all, with all this horsepower, you don't sacrifice any energy efficiency or reliability. This is built to run 24/7, 365 days a year, with no issues at all. Here it is, the back of the Core Gen 2. The first port on the left is your BYOM port. That's to make a connection with your laptop to use the in-room peripherals and display to drive a call right from your laptop. Then you've got an HDMI input, so you can present content directly from your laptop without having to join the meeting. And then we've got our assortment of USB-A ports and USB-C ports. Those are used for your in-room peripherals, keyboard and mouse, and your controller that's going to be in your room at the table. And then we have two HDMI outputs to support multiple displays within the room, and Ethernet to be wired directly to the network. There's also built-in Wi-Fi if you don't have a network drop where this is going to get installed. One new big feature on the Core Gen 2 is a built-in EDID emulator. This allows for full compatibility with any display and any laptop that you can deal with, no matter the resolution. Speaking of flexibility and compatibility, ThinkSmart Core Gen 2 comes preloaded with either Microsoft Teams rooms or Zoom rooms. Next up, let's look at what else comes in the box with Core Gen 2. Here's the USB-C BYOM, or Bring Your Own Meeting cable. It's 3 meters long, so you have plenty of length to connect your laptop to Core Gen 2 for BYOM applications where you drive meetings directly from your laptop. And last, but certainly not least, there's the power adapter. So with these three things, this is all you need to get started with your Core Gen 2. One of my favorite updates is the redesigned cable management system. This little tray now slides off instead of having a hinged door, which is a huge help if you're setting it up behind a display or in tight spaces. It's also been re-engineered to handle any type or size of cable without worrying about them getting pinched. And if space is really tight, you can remove the cable management system altogether for a slimmer profile. It's the little things like this that make a big difference. The Core Gen 2 is designed to adapt to your setup. It comes with a VESA mounting bracket, so you can mount it behind displays, on walls, under tables, or even in cabinets. There's even a mount for the power adapter, keeping your setup nice and tidy and secure. And it's not just about flexibility, it's about durability too. The Core Gen 2 is built to run in hotter environments like behind displays or in server rooms. And thanks to its super quiet enclosed fan, it's completely silent. That means no distractions during your meetings. Now let's talk about AI. Core Gen 2 is packed with AI capabilities that take collaboration to the next level. You've got intelligent framing, smart name tags, and even real-time meeting summaries when paired with tools like Microsoft Teams Copilot or Zoom AI Companion. It's exciting to see how AI can make meetings not only more efficient, but also more engaging. All right, let's talk about what you get with the different kits. Depending on the setup that you choose, you'll either get the ThinkSmart controller or the Lenovo IP controller. The ThinkSmart controller has a responsive 10.1-inch touch display that connects easily via USB. It's straightforward and intuitive, perfect for managing your meetings. If you have a larger or more complex room, the Lenovo IP controller is the solution for you. It uses standard Cat5 or Cat6 cabling to connect the controller to the link box to go any distance that you need for within your space. It also comes with an HDMI and a USB cable to connect that link box directly to the Core Gen 2. Now, if you're going for the full room kit, which is my personal preference, you'll get the ThinkSmart Bar 180. This compact bar isn't just about great audio, it also delivers high-quality AI-driven video, making it ideal for medium-sized meeting rooms. With this setup, everyone in the room can be seen and heard perfectly. It's collaboration at its best. And that's everything in the box. The ThinkSmart Core Gen 2 is compact, powerful, and full of features that make collaboration seamless. From its AI-powered capabilities to its redesigned cable management and durable design, this device is built to handle the demands of modern meeting spaces. Plus, it integrates with ThinkSmart Manager for remote IT support and comes with a 3-year Premier Support warranty for added peace of mind. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.